Good morning, Mystical Dragon family. I just wanted to give you a quick little tour of Mystical Dragon. Here we are coming in the front door. We've got lots of beautiful practitioners that work here and they're displayed in our foyer. We have a whole bunch of our brochures for upcoming events. And of course you can sign up for our newsletter. Lots of certificates from fundraising we've done for the community over the years. Coming into our store now. We have been doing a revamp across the start of this year. Lots of statues, dragons, oracle cards, tarot cards, candles, lots of incense, more incense, also lots of books we have here. We love having our books and card decks. We do have lots of charms as well and feathers for making things. There's our journals down there. Some of your empty bottles and bits and pieces for making your own things at home. Essential oils and goodies. This is this section over here. We've kind of dubbed our Witchy Corner at the moment, as we've got over 100 varieties of herbs and resins now. Witchy books. You have your sage sticks, spell boxes, cauldrons, book of shadows, chalices, some of the related statues in there as well. We've got lots of tumbled crystals, which actually also carry on around the corner just here. And we love our crystals here at Mystical. So we do have a few cabinets full. There's a whole bunch of your rough and crystal books. Lots more. And through the middle of our store, we've currently got a discount table. More crystals, statues, CDs if you still like your CDs to be able to play. The Lakshmi Oracle deck is definitely available in store. We have gift cards. We love our gift cards. Beautiful, more spiritually themed gift cards. More crystals and jewellery and statues as well. And this is just our store. Of course, we also have our college aspect of our business that runs off the other door from the foyer going up the hall.